Icing on the cake. Understanding this sweet English idiom. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a deliciously expressive part of the English language. We'll unravel the meaning, use, and origins of the idiom, icing on the cake. So, if you've ever wondered what this phrase means or how to use it in your daily conversations, you're in the right place. The phrase, icing on the cake, refers to something good that is added to another good thing, making it even better. Imagine you're baking a cake. The cake itself is delightful, but when you add icing, it becomes even more desirable and enjoyable. This idiom is often used when an additional benefit or positive feature complements something that is already favorable. In positive contexts, most commonly, icing on the cake is used in positive scenarios. For example, getting the job was great, but the signing bonus was the icing on the cake. In sarcastic or ironic contexts, occasionally, it's used sarcastically to refer to an additional thing that makes a bad situation worse. For example, I already had a flat tire. Then the rain started. That was the icing on the cake. To get a better grasp, let's look at some examples of how icing on the cake can be used in everyday conversations. Her promotion was well-deserved, and the extra vacation days were just the icing on the cake. The party was fantastic, and seeing my old friends was the icing on the cake. The phrase is believed to have originated in the early 20th century. It's a metaphor derived from the actual icing on a cake, which is not necessary for a cake to be good, but it adds an extra layer of sweetness and decoration. Over time, it became a popular way to express a bonus or an additional positive aspect of a situation. There you have it, language learners. Icing on the cake is a sweet way to express that something is not just good, it's even better with an added bonus. It's a phrase that adds flavor to your conversations and allows you to express positivity and sometimes a hint of irony. We hope this video adds some icing to your language learning journey. Stay curious and keep learning.